This next problem looks like it's going to be super duper fun. Well, we got to go with their innermost groupings first. So let's see if we can simplify anything inside my parentheses here. I like to make myself a blank fraction, and let's get to work. Well, 3 over 2 doesn't simplify. Leave it 3 over 2. A to the negative second over a to the fourth. Okay, I can subtract here, but which one do I subtract from what? My larger exponent is 4, so you subtract negative 2 from that, and I get positive 6. But where does it go? It's going to go in the denominator because my larger exponent 4 was in the denominator. Next one, b to the third over b to the fifth. Where's my larger exponent? Well, that's the 5. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. I'm going to have b to the second, and it's going to go in the denominator because my larger exponent was in the denominator to begin with. Well, I've done everything I can inside the parentheses. Now it's time to move to my exponent outside the parenthesis. I have this negative 5 here. There's a trick we can do to make that negative 5 into a positive 5. And what we like to call it is flip and switch. So I'm going to flip everything inside. I'm going to have 2a to the 6th b squared all over 3 raised to the positive 5. We can flip everything inside and change that exponent outside to being positive. Now I can distribute this 5 here to all my exponents. So the 2 here, the 6 here, don't forget there's a little 1 here on the 2, to that 1, there's a little 1 on the 3, so to that 1 that's on the 3. Okay, let's get to work. I have 2 raised to the 5th. Well, 6 times 5 is 30. 2 times 5 is 10. And then I have 3 to the 5th. Alright. Some of these are a little big for some of us, so we can plug them in our calculator if we need to. 2 to the 5th, that's like 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. A to the 30th, b to the 10th, all over 3 to the 5th, which equals 243. And there's my final answer. Whoo! That was a doozy. Got a lot going on here as well. Lots of negatives, coefficients, all sorts of fun stuff. Well, I see some parentheses. Let's see if we can do anything there. In my parentheses, a times b, nothing to do. So I got to move to the outside of the parentheses, which would be my 4 here. Well, I can distribute that in, and I know that I'm going to have a to the first here, b to the first here. Distribute that 4 to the 1 and 1. And I'm going to have 2a to the negative second times 3b to the negative second times a to the fourth b to the fourth. Okay. Let's see here. I've got a 2 and a 3. Those are coefficients. I can multiply those. I get 6. Alright. I got a to the negative 2 and a to the fourth. Well, it's multiplying, so I can add my exponents. Negative 2 plus 4 gives me positive 2. So I get a squared. And then I have b to the negative 2 and b to the positive 4. Once again, negative 2 plus 4 is 2. Bibbidi boppity boo. We're all done.